Right now only I have just created this Pinterest pin, and if I click on this link, it directly redirects me to Amazon. And whenever someone buy this product through this link, I will earn commission. But how does it actually work? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your Amazon Pinterest affiliate marketing and earn money online without an investment by using only your phone. First of all, we need our Amazon affiliate account, and if you don't have, don't worry, I have already made a beginner friendly video on it. So what I'm going to do, I'll put link in the description and the end of the video, you can watch from there. Today I'll show you how to create a Pinterest business account, how to create a pin in a right way, and how to generate an affiliate link. Save this video and stay with me till the end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more money hack. First of all, I'm opening my Pinterest app, and if you don't have, you can simply install it from Play Store. And once you log in, you will notice that your account is a normal account by default. But for earning purpose, we need a business account and we need to convert it. So I'll go to my profile and click on save the icon. And here you can see this option called account management. I'll just click on that and scroll down where it says convert to business account. So I'm tapping on it and then click on convert account. Now it's asking me to enter my account name. So here always try to choose something similar to your niche only. For example, if you're posting fashion post, you can name trendy outfits or budget friendly outfits. Enter a name and click on next, and after that it asks for a website. So if you have your own website, you can add it here, or else you can click on no website yet, or even you can paste your YouTube link here. Next, it asks to describe your business. So I'll just select a category just that matches my content, and then click on next. And now it shows the ads option where you can choose if you want to run ads or not. But since we are focusing on free methods, so I'll select I'm not sure yet. And that's it. My Pinterest business account is ready. Now, before creating pins, we have to optimize profile because it makes your account look more professional. And so I'll go to settings, then edit profile, and here I'll add my username. Then I'll write my small description about what my page is, and of course I'll add a profile photo. Even though these steps look small, it actually plays a big role in improving your reach through Pinterest SEO. Let's move to the main part, which is creating a pin. So I'm opening my Amazon app and searching for a product. For example, I'll search for a women tops. Now you can see there are a lot options available. So I'll just pick on any one product. And so first we need some image of this product to create a pin. So instead of taking a screenshot, which actually reduces the quality of the image, so what I actually do is open Amazon in Chrome, okay, and then switch to desktop site, and then open the same product again, and then simply long press on the image and click on download image. For creating the pin, we'll go to Canva and search for Pinterest pin template. And here you will see a lot of ready-made designs. So I'll just pick one and customize it by replacing the images, editing the text. Just keep it simple. Once you're done, just download the design. I'll come back to Pinterest, then click on create, and then pin. Upload the design and then click on next. And now for the title and description, what we'll do, I'll go back to the Amazon with the same product, and I'll copy the product title and paste it here. And for the description also, we'll scroll down and click on about this item and copy the description from here, and then paste it. Now the most important part, we have to add link which will make money for us. For that, go to Amazon account and click on share icon. Here you can see the options. We have direct option for Pinterest, or else you can copy the link from here and paste it. Now we have to pick a board. If you don't know how to create a board, just comment me board, I'll give you all these tips. So now we have to tag topics. So this works like SEO keywords for you. So click on it and search for some tags which is highly related to your product and select that. Now click on tag product. Here you can tag any product, or else click on use a link and then paste your affiliate link here. Then I'll go to advanced settings and keep comments on, and make sure the paid partnership option is turned off, and finally click on create. As you can see, my pin is live. So if I click on the site, you can see it takes me directly to the Amazon, and now whenever someone clicks on this or buys anything, I earn commission. So this is how you can make money online with Amazon affiliate account. And even if you are beginner and using just your phone, if still you can make a passive income by spending 10 minutes in a day. If you found this helpful, please like this video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comments, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.